And all you have to do is mount the plate to your old ceiling box, which is super easy to do. You just take this, the old light fixture off, and then you can use these holes to mount your new ceiling box. And all you do, again, like I said, is you tie, see how easy that pops out? And again, you have 3 wires, green, black, and white. That's all you gotta do to hook it up. Super simple. And then all you can do, you can see it's got like this little twist lock thing on the inside. Once you get it up there, just twist it, and it locks it in place, and you're good to go. All right, we are done. See how easy that was? We're done. Not even 10 minutes. See how easy that was? See how bright that is? Awesome. These are actually 5,000 K lumen, but it's just the one setting. You can't switch between them. But again, 5,000 K lumens is super bright. So if you're wanting to put these in an area of your house where you need bright light, these are definitely the ones to do. So I'm about to get busy on this other light over here. You guys take care. Click that link, get you some. I think you'll like them.